Body shaming, a toxic behavior that I absolutely hate. The moment someone starts criticizing another person's physical appearance, I instantly lose all respect for them. It's like their entire personality and aura are multiplied by zero in my eyes. Body shaming is not only harmful and cruel, but it also reveals the insecurity and narrow mindedness of the person doing the shaming. It's a vicious cycle that can lead to low self esteem, mental health issues, and even physical harm. Let's choose to uplift and empower each other rather than tearing each other down with hurtful words and judgments. Remember, beauty is not a size, shape, or weight. It's about embracing our unique qualities, flaws, and all, and celebrating our individuality. Let's promote inclusivity and diversity rather than perpetuating harmful beauty standards that say we must conform to a certain ideal. It's important to prioritize our health and well being, but it's not right to judge others for their physical appearance. We all have our own journeys and struggles, and it's crucial to focus on our own path rather than criticizing others. Let's support each other in making healthy choices rather than shaming those who may not fit our ideal of perfection. Let's support each other in our journeys towards self acceptance and self love. And let's create a culture of kindness and compassion. Let's break free from the toxic cycle of body shaming and build a world where everyone can thrive.